Yeah, I address the intelligent Jamaicans first, and then address the Dunce thugs them. Share, like, and subscribe, and I hope you like that one. Yeah. Seen? But yeah, the educated Jamaicans them now, yeah, the one you hear one. Seen? Just come back out of your ego. Seen? Come back out of your speciality and look at the education system in Jamaica. Yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah, the approach is one of the best in the world. You get what I say? Yeah. But the struggle to get there is one of the highest in the world, if not the highest in the world. Meaning the cost for parents with little or no resource. You understand me? Remember, yeah? Remember, in order to move from secondary all age level to college level, high school level, you have to pay for a different type of education, a different type of subject to take that entrance test called common entrance. You get what I say? You have to remember, so people can hardly afford to send them to a regular school. Still, there's a different school, basically within a school, where them have to find a different you get me, for get them there. You understand me? Parents with little or no resource. You understand what I say? Alright. Added to that, kids with little or nothing to go off, little or nothing to motivate them, little or nothing to influence them. You understand what I say? Because, and I say, you have to really, petty up, reward your kids them when them do good. In order for them continue to do good. I say, if you can't afford to even feed them, you can't afford to give them little simple rewards like what them need. Like carry them go downtown or carry them go to a movie and things like that, and just gonna say, yeah, you do good this week type of thing. You understand what I say? Yeah. Little or no resource. You know, see it. You have to recognize them thing there. You know economics more than anybody else. You understand? If you never recognize it back then, when you get educated, you have to recognize it now. And by not recognizing it, you know what? You're diminishing your own ability or your own efforts that it took to get where you are. It took superhuman strength for a Jamaican to break out. Come on, man. It's superhuman strength and focus with little or no resource, influence, or rewards. You understand me? So you have to have a bit of compassion for the many of us amongst you that aren't educated to the standard level where we can apply ourselves in a civil society. You get what I say? You have to recognize that it's no fault of ours. The education system was designed before us. That's why we set up a government and things like that for organize and get certain things on a level where we can afford it. If we can't afford it, alright, we can't blame the government for making it so. Don't blame us for being dunce. You understand what I say? So you disrespect your own self, diminish your effort, your will of getting where you are, because it wasn't easy and it's not the normal things you had was to do, normal level of study and normal level of focus like where other children across the world do, because they had a whole heap of other resource and access to whole heap of other entities to help them along the way, where I'm sure you didn't have. I'm certain may experience both sides of the coin. You get what I say? So I have some respect and some compassion for they don't stug them and show them a level. See, yeah, do things like these and build them up, develop them self-esteem, where them non-existent self-esteem and self-confidence. Because bad as you want to look on it, if a man have self-confidence and self-esteem, would have believe in himself and know him not to do certain things to prove same have self-esteem and self-confidence. So once you have tried prove, say you have self-esteem and self-confidence, you don't really have it. You understand what I say? You have to make an effort for you work out what I say? Intelligent people of Jamaica. Alright. Dunce thugs. Hear me telling you, enough respect, man. Manners and respect. Watch out. Majesty. You know see it? Because I'm still alive. And it wasn't meant to be. So from in the 1980s, them set back the country to a level where certain things was way out of poor people reach. Unaffordable. You understand? Basic resources that government was made to help provide for poor people was suddenly out of poor people's reach, including bathing soap, toothpaste, cigarette, 3 man. The stall couldn't sell 1 man a cigarette. He must sell to 2 or 3. 1 cigarette to 2 or 3 man. So 2 and 3 man stand up on the stall and I watch one another like, yo, stop now, at my time now, see they reach the line. Yeah, them used to mark with spot. Yeah, and the elder them can tell us on the line, I tell. You know see, late 70s, early 80s man. 3 man a smoke 1 cigarette. You know see, so if education, if we reach still there at a point now where education is unaffordable, don't feel no way, don't be ashamed, don't feel left out, don't feel like something is wrong with you or it's your fault or anything like that. All of these was set by your 4 parents as a system for the government to provide and also fortify for yourselves. You get what I say? It not happen, it's their fault, yeah? So if you're not done, I saw it go, yeah? Matter of fact, you see the same guy that were intelligent, if you ask them who built the pyramids in Egypt, they want to tell you say white people. You understand what I say? If you ask them where man come from, them tell you say a monkey man evolved from. You understand what I say? You mean it's a monkey changed over the years and take time turn man. And all of a sudden it stop happening. You understand? You catch me drift? You catch me drift? These educated people, at least them are teach. You get what I say? So, even though education is quite beneficial, you know, don't get me wrong, I'm saying it's still not perfect. There are discrepancies with it, identifiably and admittedly so. You know, see, so still a man can't dictate to you or bully you down or make you feel or look stupid about something that's not perfect. You get what I say? Because you more perfect than it without it anyway. You get what I say? Yeah. So, the facts I want to identify and acknowledge and accept the facts I want to done. Yeah? It's a great confidence booster. You know, see. You even have more confidence than those who have to prove so them have confidence. You know, see. But still, you have to procreate it and prove it in a positive way. You get what I say? Because if you want to prove to people, say, you're confident, you have confidence and you have self-esteem by bullying it into them, like bad up a boy and make him know, say, I suck, you hear me, you respect me. That are not confidence. You don't believe it, like me just said to the intelligent people. You understand what I say? So, this is as a miseducation about yourself and the way our educated scholar them treat us and talk to us, start down to us. Make us feel small and feel like it's our fault. Rather than teach us, rather than set up program, rather than be examples. Them use it as a bragging right. You understand me? Because with most people, in order to feel good about themselves, education can't make them feel good about themselves. What makes them feel good about themselves is that they are better than somebody else. Somewhere, whatsoever. You get what I say? So, they are the ones with the fault, with the issues, not you. You see, have more self-confidence, believe in yourself. Find some little way of hustling, some little start, some business, farming, trade, selling, buying and selling. So you them a mobile, remember when I you them every youth a mobile could have make parrot and them thing there, right? You know, say if the youth them a mobile set up all our website thing. I'm gonna be with them same like artwork then thing. Yeah? Yeah man, ship them with Amazon and all of them thing they go anywhere in the world same way man. Within days, make people get them thing. You see it at Jamaica it come from people that wait all 3 months to get something from China, you know. Yeah. You know, see it. So, at them thing you have to set up kind of one don't realize Jamaica quite influential worldwide, man. Me I tell you, man, sometimes all I rock from Jamaica, man. You can't, me I say as a souvenir, some dirt and all them things there from there, so value a lot and mean a lot to a lot of people. Yeah. Them not teaching you them things because number one, them no want to elevate themselves and come good and come up at them shoulder good and nice like them too. You know, see, that's why them put the tourists them will come to Jamaica for see local Jamaica and Jamaica as it is. Them put them in an all-inclusive hotel. Kind of stupidness that. And at them I tell the people them say, oh, we don't get hurt and very. So when they do that now, when I met the youth them and the hustler them out the road dead for hungry. And then now all the youth them all feed them belly. You know see? So you if that are the reason why when I go beat up on yourself and chant on a life and thing like that, cause just that do mostly to effect. Yeah, kill some people, kill 5-10 people and dead, but you know how much people you could have did have if you did live to a certain age. Alright now, you know say them same picnic there. One of them gonna be the person who change life of living for everybody at Jamaica. I saw life. Remember, one man changed things. You know me, I say. More one somewhere, one idea is an idea started first, and everybody come up with the same idea at the same time. One man come up with the idea and sow the seed, man. You know, see it. You're going to kill a man that we're going to save humanity long time and they realize it. Because some serious people come out of Jamaica, like me always preach and tell them, no. When I don't want to believe it, yes or no, you know what? Once you sow the seed, one of them day, another evidence will pop up. And another one pop up another time. And then it starts add up to now and realize the way. That no teacher I said that was true. We have special power down here, we are superpower. And we are superhuman. That's why we are suffer so. Because people dead from food suffering already. If I never remittance some people where they are abroad, me I tell you say Jamaica dry up. That was the plan for Jamaica, man. Them did set it so, man. That's them couldn't believe on me side, you know, them do the research and tell we. Admit it to you and say, boy, just so Jamaica suffer, you know, and the family won't have a brother send money come go, no. Believe you me, man, through the 80s and the 90s, man. Yes, I. You know, see it? So, you have many countries again across the world where they suffer far worse than we. And in space of 20 years. Them far better off than we the right, you know. It's not impossible, man. You know, see it? Value yourself, value your life, man, and live love, man. Rastafari, man. Will a reverence, man. You know, see it? Will a reverence, man. Positive thoughts manifest positive reality. Share, like, and subscribe, man. Comment and make we have a discussion.